Buddy, check this out. Ito ang ating pinaka-affordable na minimalist house sa Imus, Cavite for as low as 2.6 million only. Kaya naman don't skip this video. This is Pao Pipito, your home search buddy. Yes, buddy, you heard it right. Ito nga ay located lang sa Alapan, Imus, Cavite. Kaya naman easy access ito to Manila and Airport via Cavitex at Cavite Laguna Expressway connecting to Vermosa, Villar City, MCX and Alabang. Prime location dahil few minutes drive nga lang ito sa business district gaya ni Evo City, Maple Grove at River Park. Location pa nga lang ay panalo ka na dito, buddy. At alam mo ba, buddy, na ito ay move-in ready na dahil ito ay complete finish turnover kaya naman less hassle at dadali mo na nga lang ang gamit at family mo. Minimum lot size for inner unit is 36 square meters at may available din tayong end unit with 54 square meters lot area. At alam mo, buddy, na masesecure mo na ang iyong unit for only 10,000 reservation fee. PCP is 2,656,230. Monthly DP is 17,000 at ang ating estimated monthly amortization is 18,000. Kaya naman, buddy, kung nagustuhan mo ito, send me direct message para ma-schedule na natin ang exclusive house viewing mo. So, bye-bye!